Hi everyone, welcome back to Product Tech Academy. My name is Imran Khan. I'm a technology and product professional with over 19 years of experience. Currently working in the industry with experience across organizations including Amazon, Honeywell, Infosys, and HSBC. In today's video, I'll walk you through the 8 essential skills which every great product manager must master. These aren't theoretical skills, these are the ones which actually separates average PMs from high impact PMs. Let's break them down one by one. Skill 1, customer empathy. A great product manager is obsessed with understanding customer problem. That means discovery call, reviews, user research, and active listening. If you don't deeply understand the customer problem, then you will end up building features, not solution. Skill 2, cross-functional collaboration. A PM is a glue between engineering, marketing, design, and business. He doesn't need to be expert in every function, but he needs to speak in the language and align towards the same goal. Skill 3, clarity in writing. PM writes a lot. It specs, product talks, emails, roadmaps. Your writing becomes reference point which team builds and ship products. Clarity in writing, clarity in execution. Skill 4, strategic thinking. You must understand where your product actually fits in the bigger picture. Not just the feature, but company strategy, market direction, and long-term vision. Skill 5, prioritization. Everything looks important. Great PM decides what actually matters. This means balancing effort versus impact and anticipating future risk like tech debts or platform limits. Skill 6, UX understanding. Even if you work with designers, you should understand user flows and basic wireframing. PM wants end-to-end experience, not just the feature request. Skill 7, market awareness. You should know your market inside out, competitors, trends, forces shaping the market. Skill 8, technical acumen. You don't need to write a code or be a ML engineer to become a product manager. But you need to understand the technical trade-off well to have a real conversation with the engineers. These 8 skills together create a product manager who doesn't just manage but creates impact. If you're serious about building your career in product, start building these skills which are really important. If you have any questions or need help in building these skills, drop a comment below. And if you found this video useful, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.